How to download music of YouTube on free 2023. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to download music of YouTube on free 2023. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. This is pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So this method applies on both devices of your phone and also on your computer. So to do so, just need to head over to any browser that you have. And from in there, just search youtube.com. Head over to YouTube right here. So let's head over there. And once you're in the YouTube, as you can see it is loading, what we need to do is to just click on our profile icon. Our profile icon is right around here. Let me zoom in. So let's click on that. And once you have clicked on that profile icon, it will load like this. So what we need to do is to head over to YouTube Studio. So let's click on that. And we will proceed to our YouTube Studio. So let's just wait for it to load. And in here you can see our YouTube Studio. In here also, you can also see these things right here. So if you click on any one of them, you will see channel contents, channel contents, comments, and all of that, copyright, subtitles, earn, also this right here, audio library. So what we need to do is head over to audio library right here, which is the last comment or last button. So in here we can see some musics from YouTube that we can use for free. So if you want to download just one of them, so let's click on one of them, and you can see here some options. So let's click on some options right there, and you can see this download when you scroll. So just click on download right there, and you should be able to download that specific audio that is from YouTube. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to download music of YouTube on free 2023. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.